Good morning, YouTube world. Hey, I put these videos on here about every other day. I try to keep them at 10 minutes or so you can just have a cup of coffee and watch a short little video on what RAThbun is up to today. So enjoy these. We got some on motorcycling, improvements on the house, gadgets, reviews, places to go see, you name it, I'm going to post it and hopefully you're going to enjoy it. Well, good morning everybody. It is cold out today. I worked in the shop as long as I could, but now I'm trying to stay warm in here. I got the electric heater going rather than the gas one. Thought I'd just save my gas while I'm plugged in. But I built this for the wire. It stayed in there and did stuff as long as I could. Now I'm going to run the wire. That'll hold 3 different wires, and that's what I'm running at this point. Then this rod just comes out, and I just put in different colors, whatever I need. We're going to run that wire today. We're going to run the wire down here to the fan. I think I'll probably run it all the way to here. If I have too much, it's okay. If I don't have enough, that'd be bad. So I'm thinking about putting the fan right about there. And so we're going to run wire down to it anyway. So that's that one, and there's one other we're going to run wire to. I don't remember which one, but we got them all there ready for it. So that's what we're going to do. There's 60 seconds of this morning. Good morning. I'm sure you guys understood how this works, but this is it. So I just run that up there, so I got a place to run. Then I just pull on it, and you can see it comes right off the spool. That's how that works. There's 15 seconds of additional information. Got my little 12-volt transformer in here, checking things out. Wiring is all, I think, done. This is the only light I got working right now because I've only got it grounded there. This light back here is grounded to the frame. So, it won't work until it's grounded, but it would be on right now if it was grounded. So, that's what this is going to look like. Now I'm just waiting for the fittings and stuff that goes here to hook this in, slide the box in, and we'll call that done. I think I'm going to turn that pipe around so the numbers ain't outside. No big deal. But she's wired for extra lights right here for later on both sides. I can put a light on either side if I want. I'm thinking LED strip down through here, maybe. We got this wired up here for the fan will go right here. And I'm just using Gorilla Tape to hold these wires in place. I mean, that's going to work plenty good. But it's all run, so just waiting for connections right now. That's the way she works. You just turn this off. Well, with the switch, I'll have a switch down here, so you can also turn it off up here. That's pretty cool. Okay, we're done. Let's just wait for connections now. I think the wiring's done. Man, it's dark in here, kinda. But let's see if we got something to turn on here. Maybe we got a light. Well, by gosh, they work. Gotta tuck my wires back in there though, but everything's good. Get them, don't look up there. Don't look up there. Quit looking up there, man. Yeah, I gotta tuck them down in there yet. That's okay. But we got light. We got 12 volt system. We got the 110 going. Turn that off. I'm out of here today. We also got the water pump. That takes a lot of juice. I'm only using that little converter. So that's it. It works. Everything works. That sits right there like I thought it would. Not as neat as I thought it would be. Got a lot of wires back there. I might fix something. I don't know. But we got a lot of wires to roll up there. I don't want to pull them tight because I want to be able to pull this back away from the wall, which means these wires will run down that way. That's why there's so much wire up there. That's on purpose, believe it or not. I got to figure out a neater way of doing it, but here we go. Wiring is done until we can get more supplies for the ceiling and stuff. And get paint for back here yet, finish that off. I have measured out the floor. It looks like it's going to work okay. Well, what's the next step? I don't know. Stay tuned and see. That's it for today. Yep, we're doing the frame for the vent on a Monday morning. Well, this part is installed. It's 14 and an eighth by 14 and an eighth. Some people said do it 14, some people said do it 14 and a quarter. I'm went in between. Now we're moving on. We're putting in the supports for the roof here. That's what we're doing right now. And I'm going to shorten this down to a 30-second video. It is still cold outside. Another quickie for you. Got them in. They're glued and screwed. You can even see the glue. We put Gorilla Glue on them, plus Elmer's glue where there was wood. And then Gorilla Glue up against the metal and stuff. Them ain't coming down. That end is kind of figured out, but this end is not. Don't know what I'm going to do here yet. I don't know how that's going to be, like a bend here and then a bend here, and that may be more bend over than I want to do. But we got another part coming. Maybe I can get it put on today. If so, I'll add it to here. 30 seconds. Gone. Well, we're going to start out here, and we're going to finish off on the house with this video. That's what we did today. We got rid of this four plug before, because the 4 plug didn't have power. We need power, like we got the power running in there. Well, the battery's going to sit here, so we hooked up another cord here, another a 6-way, which will go in the back of the pickup, and this will hook up to the battery, so the battery can be charged off of the pickup alternator. And so that's the way that is. And it'll work great. It comes through the floor right there with a rubber grommet, and then I'm going to put some silicone around that also. But I want to show you this. And we changed this out. Where's my lights? Where's my lights? Lights. We changed this out. Light still works. Changed this out. Now it fits back around there. I like that a lot nicer. It's going to look neater. We can also set something on there. She'll probably set soap. Anyway, that's done. And I figured out how to do this. What I'm going to do is bring a board down from there, straight down, and then straight over to there. It'll be squared off. Got a little problem with that. Think I can go around it. Hopefully I don't have to shorten it. I think I can go around it. I've drawn a pattern up. Took me all morning. But I don't have any supplies, so I can't do anything to that. But this is working fine, as you can see. That one was for the LEDs when I get some. I think everything else you've already seen. This is everything is screwed and glued and ready to go. Just waiting on supplies. So let's go in the house and in this one right in there. Well, guys, I'm getting ready to get on the treadmill there, but I thought I'd show you this. Remember I said I was working on a blender? Well, I'm going to show you how this thing here turned out and what I did to it. Like I said, this can be a present for my sister. Is housewarming. And that's what it looks like, guys. Done. There you go. How's that look, guys? Huh? Here's what it'll look like at night. That bulb is supposed to last 22 years. Fine print says you can only use it 3 hours a day. But I think she'll like that. It's kind of a shame I tore apart a really good and expensive, I guess. I found out that that's Pretty nice little unit right there I tore up. But my sister's worth it. And I think it turned out good. It needed a glass, actually, for the bulb. That's LED, so there's no heat in there. What do you think, guys? I think I'm going to call this a wrap to this video here. You've seen the other stuff I've already done on the trailer. Still waiting for more supplies. Really waiting for more money. I don't even have any supplies coming right now. But let's look at this again here in the dark. There you go. I think Sis is going to like that. Y'all have a good evening. I hope you had a cup of coffee with this one. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Hey, you know what to do. Subscribe. Leave me a comment. I really read every one of them.
And with any luck at all, I'll see you back here in 48 hours with a brand new video.